Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Peek-a-Doodle Doo. First, set up the game by scattering all 15 nests on your playing surface. Next, place one white egg into 12 of these nests, then cover each egg with a chicken. You should have 3 empty nests remaining. Each player then chooses a scoring nest and a colored egg to keep track of their progress. Finally, place the empty egg crate where everyone can easily reach it. The game begins with players taking turns to find the hidden eggs. On your turn, carefully lift one chicken. If you find a white egg underneath, you collect it and place it into the egg crate. Then, move that chicken to any one of the 3 empty nests. However, if you lift a chicken and find an empty nest, you've made a mistake. As a penalty, you must move your colored scoring egg 1 crack along your scoring nest. Once all 12 white eggs have been collected and placed into the egg crate, the second phase of the game begins. Now, players take turns taking one egg from the crate. You will then place this egg into an empty nest and cover it with a chicken. Be careful. If you lift a chicken that already has an egg underneath, you must move your colored scoring egg 1 crack on your scoring nest as a penalty. The game concludes when all 12 nests on the playing surface are once again filled with an egg and covered by a chicken. To determine the winner, each player checks their scoring nest. The player whose colored egg has the fewest cracks is declared the winner. This delightful game is perfect for 2 to 4 players and is a fantastic way to improve memory and concentration skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.